Alakazam! Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. It's so nice to see your beautiful face. Pardon the lack of a shirt and the lack of a gel in my hair. I just got out of the shower. I'm not naked, but I'm not wearing a shirt. Today, I am going to be going to Auto Image Custom to pick up my car. It is Friday. I dropped the car off on Tuesday. It's been raining really hard, so they said we should probably keep it overnight and let it dry just in case, because you know, water in my headlights would suck. And the tint, obviously it's been moisturization outside. They don't want it to get messed up, which I understand. That's completely understandable. So that's great. I'm so excited. I have to go to school, so I will see you guys when I'm back home. That'll be around 2:20, and then I'm gonna zip over there and get my car. So I'll see you guys after hell. Hello, I lied about it being 2:30 or whatever. It's actually like 3:10. Jesse and I are gonna watch some TV and eat some Noah's Bagels. Shout out to Noah's Bagels. And then my car will be ready at like 5. They had some issues with it being very wet, so like sealing the headlights were more complicated. So they're wiring stuff up, and then we're gonna be on our way. So happy Friday. I'll see you guys when we're going. Bye! I'm fucking excited! Ugh. Hi. Okay guys, I'm in my car. Oh my god, the lights don't show up as well on camera, and I'm really disappointed about that. I'll try to figure out if I can change my settings and stuff, but holy fuck. My apologies for the cussing. Family friendly, okay? Family friendly. I'm at a stoplight, my dad's in front of me. It's dark and it's so sick. Oh my god, it's so dope. The lighting looks so good. I have it on white right now. I figured out how to get it all white. Ooh, baby, a triple. Ha ha, yes. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, time to buy 1,000 more mods. I'm gonna go pick Alex and we're gonna hang out, but with the girls. Oh, so dope. I'll get some video of the changing lights when I can. I gotta go by. Adequate segment, Sky. Good old Skyo.
Hi.
It's a really wonky way to hold that.
That's my segment. Bye. Oh. You want a tussle? I look like the theater thug from, yeah. This is a good angle. Why'd you do that? Did you purposely do that?
Look at this, the best boyfriend ever. Oh my god, just look. I'm bringing the tendies. I'm bringing the tendies. They're swooping in.
Is that mine? Yeah.
What? Get away from my burger. Man, stop. Stop. That's mine. I want that one. I want that one. I want Alex. Yeah, Karma. Karma, Alex. That's yours, isn't it?
Can I just ask, why the fuck did I pay $3.50 for about 17 French fries?
What? They give us less.
This is a lot of bullshit.
Fucking, let's rebel.
I'm taking soda. I'm taking soda.
That's a chica in my eye.
I have that.
Just kidding.
Alex. Can I get a yee-yee?
not a pectoral muscle.
I didn't know you could do that. Look at how beautiful our town is.
Fucking get.
Wow. We doing a heist?
Right?
You know what my nickname is? You know what they call me?
What, Brandon?
I'm one of the
That's so funny.
Turkish taffy. So you can't see this well at all with my camera. Wow, that's really bad. Okay, this is it. Jesse, stop vaping.
Right.
But brother.
Don't do that. Fade it. Like it looks cool.
And then I can do patterns like this. And then I can sync to music. So I can go like this. Hello! Alright guys, I just got ready for bed. I am unbelievably tired. I've had a long week. And I'm so excited to finally have the car back. But I've been playing around with the lights. They look awesome. I'm gonna try to figure out a good way to show you guys what it actually looks like, because when it shows up on the camera, it's not like a sharp picture. It's kind of blurry. It doesn't really show everything. I didn't know that they can do white, the halos. Apparently they can, but not if I click the true white button. I have to do some like different way and go around it. I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna try to see how to get around that because it's kind of annoying, but I'll try to figure it out. So far it's amazing. I'm nervous to drive around with them on. I haven't done it yet. I've just had like them as the running lights, so they're white. I can do amber as well, but other than that, I haven't done like, obviously red and blue is illegal. If you know about the rules, let me know. Let me know what's the most and least illegal. And yeah, I'm gonna try to show you guys some pictures that I'll probably take tomorrow. Here she is. I have her set up on this yellowish color. I can also do white with the tri-bars. And then I found a mode where I can do this. Like I said, you can't really, I don't have the car on. You can't, see, when you turn the car on, I don't want to be annoying, but if I put my hazards on, it'll just do that with a tri-bar, which is badass. I can do patterns like this 7-color crossfade. Or I can do like the jump or some strobes, which you can't actually see. It just looks like a fade. It's actually going like 1,000,000 times per second, but I can pretend I'm a police officer, which I would never do. That is not okay, you schnitzels. That doesn't really, maybe if it was faster and I could have red, blue at the same time, you know what I'm saying? But no. Yeah, I can play with all sorts of colors here. I'm pretty excited. I think I'm gonna leave it on yellow because that is legal, or I guess the most illegal. And then whenever I want to be a heck, I'll do green or red, maybe blue, depending on what my mood is, or just white, of course. But for now, I'm thinking this amber color. I don't know if you can see the difference between those two. I wish it showed up better on camera. You know what? I'll take what I can get. I'm obsessed with it. I'm on a fat tripod right now, so let me try to take the camera off. You guys will also be able to see that it's raining outside still, and the tint is badass. And then the back you can't even see into or out of, pretty much. It looks mean as fuck. For now, this is what we're getting. I'm obsessed with it. I'm really happy I made the decision to do the halos, and shout out Jesse for getting me those for Christmas right there. But yeah, she's mean. She's a mean one, Mr. Grinch. She's a mean one. I'm gonna end the vlog now. If I just showed you clips, videos, or pictures from tomorrow, then that's sick. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope they turn out well. I'm gonna go to bed. It's 12. I am fucking tired. I have to get up really early. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm happy to be back vlogging. I'm really happy with my car. I'm definitely gonna show you guys some daylight videos of the lights and the tint. The tint looks so good. I can't get over it. It's really dark, but it looks murdered. Murdered, baby, murdered. I'm excited, all right? I'm gonna show you guys that tomorrow, but for now, peace out. Remember to be positive, do what you love, do what you want. Don't let anyone else stop you from doing what you think you should be doing. And yeah, I love you. Have a nice day. Thank you guys for stopping in. Peace out.